Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're in the basement. I'm gonna try to spot weld one of my battery banks. It's been a while since we've been messing around with these, and I haven't gotten any further, so you haven't missed anything, which is both a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing you haven't missed anything, but it's a bad thing because I haven't done anything with it. So over here I have my battery bank sitting, and I have two of them done, and if you follow my videos you will have seen those two have been done, and there are two more sitting here, and I need to put some metal thingies on there. You can kind of see the metal thingies there, and I need to put those on the other two as well. I am waiting for a spot welder. Let's get this Ryobi commercial out of the way. I am waiting for a spot welder that Banggood was gonna send me. They sent one and then I moved, and then they've sent another one, and that's kind of like 2 months ago. So I'm waiting for that. But in the meanwhile, I built my own. So I have this, the awesome spot welder that I built myself. I'm charging it up with a power supply here, and it has a red charging LED here. And if I turn the voltage up just ever so slightly, it turns green. It means it's full. So I am charging it a little bit right now. It has been charging for a couple of hours, so I think it's very, very, very close to full. So we should be able to use it no problems whatsoever. So here is one of the done batteries, and you can kind of see this metal that I've soldered this on. So each of these I've been soldering that on. The next one, which, let's just bring that out. This one probably, yeah, and it's in the right order. I want to make it exactly like this one. So yeah, I've messed up a little bit. I could fix it, but it's a bloody lot of work. I would have to take off these plastic thingies. I'm not gonna bother. Here the tabs are up, and here the tabs are down. It doesn't matter for what I'm doing, but I would have liked them to be equal. I need to measure all the batteries to make sure that they hold a good voltage before I do this, because I can replace a battery if it turns out to be bad. These has been sitting for half a year, so I want to make sure that all the cells are great before I go and spot weld metal to them. So yeah, I'm gonna start by measuring all 140 cells here and make sure the voltage is good. Damn, that's a boring job. Okay, good thing I did so. I actually found two batteries that is no good. Down here I've marked it with some black tape. Let's just measure that. It measures 0.097. Over here I have another one, and that measures almost 0. So yeah, two bad batteries. I need to take those out. Okay, so I picked the batteries out of there, and just gonna check again. Minus is down there, and it says 0.097, and this one says 0.007. So no good. I'm gonna find two batteries that comes close to these values. Everything is equaled up, so I need to well, I don't need to come very close, I just need to get in the same ballpark. Okay, I found some good replacement. This is the 1682. We're taking that out, putting this one in 1684, and on the 2114 I was so lucky to find one that also says 2140 14. I have a lot of batteries. I went ahead and I bought 300 used laptop batteries. They are kind of living down there. Some of the ones that I haven't processed yet. Have a lot more for battery banks right there, and also I have a lot here that's ready to go on to the chargers for testing. And I have these 3 banks over here. 2 is done, 1 is also ready to have to be joined. And while I have this plastic off, I might as well fix it so that it's like the other one, so they are 100% alike. So we're gonna do that, but first I'm gonna check the new batteries that they are all good, because there is really no reason for me to put in 2 other bad batteries. So let's just check those before we move ahead. Do we have 4 volts? We have 3.9 something, that's good. I'll put them in the right order. And this one, the green one, 4.1. There. The 2 bad ones I'm gonna put over to the charger, and I'm gonna charge them up again. They might be good for something. Yeah, we have a irritating one here. Does not need that plastic. So put that the same way as the other one. There. And see if we can mingle this down. Which is a drag. That is on, and I've hammered it down really good. Way better than before. I don't know, I might have been knowing that I had to take this apart again. I have some of this metal thing that you purchase this in China. It's not that expensive. The main problem is that you have to wait forever and ever for it to reach you. It's this metal, and you put batteries together with it like so, and I'm just gonna cut it out in strips, and I found that a normal pair of scissors will work just fine. So something like this, and just cut it a little bit short, and it fits perfectly there. It's meant to go there, so it works. So we need strips for all the batteries. I need strips all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 strips. Okay, I cut out those 14 strips, and I believe that I have enough metal here to do another bank, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I buy these in small amounts because getting stuff into Denmark is expensive in customs and fees. So as long as I buy stuff that is under like $12 ish, I can get them without taxes and stuff. So there is really no reason to postpone much longer. So let's put one of these in and see how we do this. This is my first 2. So we have the Spot Welder here. I'll just put that right there. Oh, we got that really good. Maybe a bit too good. Guess the batteries are charged. So shorter. Ouch. Okay, it becomes hot. Maybe I don't have to press as hard. But yes, it is easier than soldering. I must probably... Yeah, this gets so hot that the plastic in here becomes kind of wobbly. I think I may need to wrap some tape around here. Okay, when these become hot, this plastic in here becomes hot and it becomes wobbly. So now I've taped it so I don't think it's gonna move as much. Holy fuck. That just dissolved. Okay, I am learning as we go. This is not how to do it, it's how I am learning to do it. But yeah, we did just do that in no time. And this one can need another one. That one didn't go too well. Next. This is the positive side. So there's less metal to heat up. You can kind of see how hot this is getting, that the plastic that these well, rather big cable collectors are sitting in, well, they become so hot that the plastic is melting underneath it. Okay, I think I broke it. The relay sounds okay, but if I try to use it, it says weird noises and no power comes out. Yeah, we didn't get far on this. So yeah, I hope that Spot Welder from Banggood comes in really soon. Yeah. Also, I found my eye protection here because it was throwing out sparks and there were metal missing from the metal that I was spot welding. So I think that was what came flying, and I didn't want that in my eyes. A burn mark would be okay, but well, I kind of like both of my eyes. So yeah, I most likely need a better relay for this. This otherwise 500 amp relay didn't last many spot welds. So that's kind of a bad thing. It was expensive enough. So yeah, but thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.